Hello, friends. You found the video directions for Google Docs Module 3, a modified block letter with tab stops. You can see the assignment here. You guys are going to fire up where it says My Document right here, giving you a fresh Google Docs. Within the Schoology platform, obviously, you're going to say Edit My Doc, so it opens it up in a fresh tab. We're going to close out the Documents tab menu. We're going to click the Google Docs tab, drag it outside of the window so it's separate from the assignment itself. Glorious. And then we're going to arrange our documents here so we can see what it is that we are typing. All right, so we got to run through some things here. Again, page setup. Go down, make sure that it is 1-inch margins all the way around. Fantastic. Adjust the font to Times New Roman because that's what adults do. Adjust the size to 12. Click the 3 dots if necessary, but find the spacing function, set it to single. Now, you're going to see that this document begins with the return address listed on the right-hand side. Now, many of you are thinking that you're just going to hit the space bar, or you're going to type in the name Spartan, and then you're going to hit the space bar all the way across, or you're going to hit the tab button and move it all the way across. I assure you, this will leave you experiencing nothing but absolute hopelessness and despair. Let's just go ahead and type this up. Spartan, 78 Hundo, 78th Street East, Inver Grove Heights, Minnesota, 55076. All right. So to get things to align on the right side margin, again, we do not hit the space button. We do not hit the tab button numerous times. What we do is go up to the ruler at the top of the page. And if yours doesn't have a ruler at the top, that's okay. Go up to View, and then scroll on down and make sure it says Show Ruler. Then take your cursor, go up to the ruler, go near the little triangle. You can't go right on the triangle. That's going to cause problems. But you're going to go near the triangle. You're going to click. And then you're going to see a little pop-up menu appear. And we are going to select a Add Right tab stop. Then you're going to click that little triangle and drag it over to the one that's pointing down. So then all you need to do is hit the tab button, and it moves it to the right. Okay, and you're going to do the same thing over here for the second row. Add a right tab stop, and then drag it over to the last margin indicator. So the margin indicators are the triangles that point down. A tab stop is going to be the triangle that either points to the left or points to the right. Now, let's just do an example here. If we added a left tab stop, then it's going to start it here and move it to the right. We don't want that, so we're going to click and drag that away. When we do a right tab stop, it's going to start it here and go this way. It's going to start as far right as we have it set, and then type to the left. A left tab stop, let's just go down to this new row. A left tab stop will start on the left and then type to the right. We don't want that. We want a right tab stop. So click, add a right tab stop, drag it over, and then it works. The reason we do tab stops is because what will happen here is you can pretty much see it. We have a very clean line from one row to the next. The N, the T, and the 6 all line up. If we were doing spaces or tabs, these letters right here would not match up. That's why we don't do spaces and tabs. All right, so once we're done with that, we can click return. We're going to click return twice, and then we're going to type the inside address. Again, it's Mrs. Gilliland. And we're going to hit return. We're going to do the date, and again, we spell things out. And we're going to do the salutation. return, and then we start typing our paragraphs. Again, block format, we typically do not indent our paragraphs because we're skipping lines between paragraphs. And then you guys can go ahead and type all the rest of this. Apparently this is, what is this for? Oh, a news internship. Oh, that's exciting. Fantastic. Yeah, go ahead and type that. Make sure we're skipping a line between paragraphs. One line, not two. Everything should fit on one page. We've got our valediction at the end. Then we skip 4 lines. So return, Sparty Spartan. When you're done with that, go ahead, go back to Schoology and submit. Should you have questions while you are working, let me know. By chance, if you got a bad tab stop in here, and it's in the wrong spot or it's going the wrong direction, just click and drag down. It'll go away. But let me know if you got any questions. Until then, go Spartans.